permutation. Ayun po yun. So, good day everyone. So, for our topic for today is permutation. So, here is my um, geometry, flower rectangular geometry. This is the front and this is the back. So, here we can see is the possible moves, the front and the back. So, from to the front and back is r is equal to 1, o is equal to 5, s is equal to 4, y is equal to 6, a is equal to 2, n is equal to 8, u is equal to 3, and e is equal to 7. So as you can see here in the illustration, so let m be the permutation for rotation, pi be the permutation for line symmetries. So for mu, do nothing, and for pi is here. So we can see here the line symmetries. So here the mu first is do nothing, and second is 15-degree clockwise rotation. Next is 90-degree clockwise rotation, and next is 135 clockwise rotation. Next is 180 degrees clockwise rotation, 225 degrees clockwise rotation, 270-degree clockwise rotation, and 315-degree clockwise rotation. So for our pi, flip, flip vertically, flip horizontally, left diagonal, right diagonal, between left and vertical, between left and horizontal, between right and vertical, and between right horizontal. So let the binary operation star be an operation under multiplication. As you can see here, we will times it the permutation, and in the right side is the answer. And here, so here is the table, as you can see here. So to conclude that this permutation table also forms a group under permutation multiplication with the 16 symmetries from the geometric model, I have constructed the following condition must be satisfied. So our table need to have close, associative, has identity element, and has inverse element for all. First conclusion, since the resulting elements were just found in the set, therefore the permutation table is closed. So here is the table. So we flip it 180 degrees. So insert column mu1 between mu0 and mu6 onwards. So this is the second condition. It is, as you can see here, it is associative because by inserting and interchanging rows and columns, the resulting element or the flipped table can be arranged like on the original table of results. So for our third condition, since there's an intersection of the row and column on the table was the order of elements on the outlines of the table, then there exists identity element, and that is M0. Therefore, it has an identity element. So the fourth condition, since there exists identity elements for every row and column that is M0, therefore it has inverse element for all. So as you can see here, the inverse element. There, therefore, it is grouped because it is satisfies all the condition. It is closed, it is associative, there is an identity element M0 which is also found in the set, and there is an inverse element for all elements. So that's it for today. Thank you for listening.